Welcome back to our channel Nutritious Health News. Today, we are going to talk about one of the superfoods that can help you in your weight loss journey, Chia seeds. Not only are they incredibly nutritious, but they can also be delicious if you know how to prepare them. So, let's dive right in and explore the best ways to eat chia seeds for weight loss. Before we get into the recipes, let's start with the basics. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They can help you feel fuller for longer, control your appetite, and promote weight loss. First up, we have chia seed pudding. It's a versatile and tasty option for breakfast or a snack. A quarter cup of chia seeds. 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice. 1 teaspoon of honey. Fresh berries for topping. Host, stirring the mixture. Mix the chia seeds and milk, add honey for sweetness, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh berries for a nutritious and filling breakfast. Next, we have the chia seed smoothie, a perfect way to kickstart your day. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 cup of spinach. A half banana. 1 cup of Greek yogurt. A half cup of water. Blend these ingredients together and you'll have a delicious and nutrient-packed smoothie that keeps you full and energized. For lunch or dinner, consider a chia seed salad. Mixed greens. Grilled chicken. Chopped vegetables. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. A light vinaigrette dressing. Host, tossing the salad. Sprinkle chia seeds for an extra crunch and fiber boost, making your salad not only healthier but also more satisfying. 5. Chia seed hydration. Lastly, don't forget about chia seed hydration. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 liter of water. Sliced citrus fruits for flavor. Chia seeds absorb water and swell up, helping you stay hydrated for longer, which is essential for weight loss. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the best ways to eat chia seeds for weight loss. Whether it's pudding, smoothies, salads, or just staying hydrated, chia seeds are your weight loss ally. Remember, consistency is key. So make these chia seed dishes a part of your daily routine and watch the pounds shed away. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.